Imagine stepping into a stadium so futuristic, it feels like you're in another world. A world where the thrill of football meets groundbreaking architecture, cutting-edge technology, and a commitment to sustainability like never before. Welcome to Saudi Arabia's vision for the 2034 FIFA World Cup. By 2032, the kingdom will unveil 15 revolutionary stadiums across 5 cities, each one designed not just to host the World Cup, but to shape the future of global sports. These stadiums are the epitome of innovation, with eco-friendly designs and jaw-dropping locations that will redefine how we experience sports. From high-tech features to awe-inspiring architecture, these venues will set a new global standard. Want to see the future of football? Let's dive into the mega venues that will make history in 2034 and beyond. King Salman International Stadium in Riyadh will be the jewel in the crown of the World Cup, with a massive capacity of 92,760. It will host the opening match and final, making it the beating heart of the tournament. Situated close to Riyadh's airport, it's designed to be not just a stadium but an iconic landmark for the kingdom. Construction will begin in 2025, with completion expected by 2030. This stadium will feature a hybrid reinforced pitch, state-of-the-art floodlighting, and sustainability at its core, aiming for LEED Gold certification. Beyond the World Cup, King Salman International Stadium will serve as Saudi Arabia's national stadium, hosting key events and creating a legacy that will endure for decades. Next, let's head over to Prince Mohammed bin Salman Stadium, also in Riyadh. This stadium is unlike anything you've seen before. Its unique three-sided design is nestled against a cliffside within the Qiddiya development, making it an architectural marvel. The stadium will hold 46,979 spectators and is planned to host the third-place playoff match. Its retractable roof will offer flexibility and comfort, ensuring fans enjoy the best experience, rain or shine. Scheduled to begin construction in 2026, the stadium will be ready by 2029. After the World Cup, Prince Mohammed bin Salman Stadium will serve as a hub for sports, entertainment, and cultural events, cementing its place as a landmark of modern Saudi Arabia. Now, let's shift to King Fahd Sports City Stadium in Riyadh. Originally built in the 1980s, this iconic venue is undergoing a major refurbishment to bring it up to FIFA World Cup standards. With an expanded capacity of 70,200, it will host semi-finals, making it a central venue for the tournament. The renovation will remove the athletics track, creating a more immersive football experience. In addition, hospitality and technical facilities will be upgraded to ensure that it meets international standards. This stadium has already been a home for major events like the AFC Asian Cup 2027 and will continue to be a key venue for years to come, leaving a lasting impact on Saudi sports. In Jeddah, King Abdullah Sports City Stadium will be another key venue for the World Cup. Built in 2014, it has already hosted major international events, including the FIFA Club World Cup. With a capacity of 58,432, it will host thrilling quarter-final matches. The stadium is being refurbished to meet FIFA standards, including the installation of a new hybrid pitch and upgraded hospitality spaces. It's strategically located in Jeddah, which will make it a central hub for fans and teams alike. Post-refurbishment, this stadium will remain a multi-purpose venue, hosting everything from international football matches to concerts and other large-scale events, contributing to the city's growing sports culture. Over in Neom, the Neom Stadium is one of the most exciting projects on the list. Situated within the revolutionary The Line development, this stadium, with a capacity of 46,010, will be one of the most innovative venues of the tournament. Construction is set to begin in 2027, with a target completion date of 2032. The design of Neom Stadium integrates seamlessly into its surroundings, making it a part of Saudi Arabia's vision to create a sustainable, smart city. The stadium will host quarter-final matches and will be powered by renewable energy, making it one of the most environmentally friendly sports venues in the world. Beyond football, Neom Stadium will be used for a wide range of entertainment events, including esports and concerts, ensuring its legacy continues long after the World Cup. Let's not forget King Khalid University Stadium in Abha. This stadium, already a multi-purpose venue, is undergoing significant upgrades. With a temporary expanded capacity of 45,428, it will host round of 16 matches. This multi-purpose venue is located on the university campus and will continue to serve educational and sporting events post-World Cup. The refurbishment will include enhanced hospitality areas and a hybrid reinforced pitch, meeting FIFA's highest standards. While the stadium will temporarily increase its capacity for the tournament, it will return to a smaller size afterward, making it a versatile venue for both sports and community activities. Over in Al Khobar, Aramco Stadium is under construction and will be ready by 2027. With a planned capacity of 46,096, it will be a standout venue for the round of 16. Located at the tip of a road triangle, the stadium will have a unique design, ensuring that it stands out in the region. The stadium will feature a hybrid pitch, covered seating, and cutting-edge technology. The surrounding infrastructure will be developed to provide easy access for fans, and the stadium will be part of a larger sports and leisure development that will attract visitors for years to come. This venue is a key part of Saudi Arabia's vision to diversify its sports and entertainment offerings. In Jeddah, the Qiddiya Coast Stadium will bring a stunning new stadium to the Red Sea coast. With a capacity of 46,096, it will host round of 16 matches and feature a retractable pitch that allows for multi-purpose use. Construction is set to start in 2029, with completion by 2032. The stadium will be located within the Qiddiya development, a massive entertainment district designed to offer a wide range of leisure activities. The stadium's design will allow it to host events beyond football, including concerts and esports, making it a true entertainment hub for years to come. Not far from there, Jeddah Central Development Stadium is being built as part of a major sports district. This stadium, with a capacity of 45,794, will host round of 32 matches and will serve as a multi-purpose venue long after the World Cup. The stadium will feature modern amenities, including hospitality suites, VIP areas, and a hybrid pitch. Its location within the Jeddah Central Development will make it a key part of the city's sports and entertainment landscape. With plans for a surrounding commercial and leisure area, the stadium will have long-lasting value for both the city and its residents. King Abdullah Economic City Stadium, located along the Red Sea, will be another major addition to Jeddah's sports scene. With a capacity of 45,700, it will host round of 32 matches. The stadium will be integrated into a larger development, including commercial, residential, and leisure spaces, creating a vibrant community around the venue. The stadium's hybrid pitch, sustainable design, and modern technology will make it a key asset for both the World Cup and the city's future sports endeavors. Back in Riyadh, King Saud University Stadium will undergo a temporary expansion to host round of 32 matches. With a capacity of 46,319, this venue will be upgraded with a new hybrid pitch and enhanced facilities. The stadium will continue to serve the university and host professional football matches after the tournament. Its strategic location within the university campus will ensure it remains a hub for local sports and community events long after the World Cup. New Maraba Stadium in Riyadh will be another exciting addition to the tournament. With a capacity of 46,010, This stadium will feature a unique roof structure inspired by the acacia tree. The stadium will be integrated into the surrounding neighborhood, ensuring that it becomes a central point for both sports and community activities. Scheduled to open in 2029, New Maraba Stadium will offer a versatile venue for a wide range of events, from football to concerts and beyond. Prince Faisal bin Fahad Sports City Stadium in Riyadh will host round of 32 matches with a capacity of 46,865. This stadium is part of a larger sports and leisure master plan, ensuring it will be a key venue for years to come. With a hybrid pitch, upgraded facilities, and sustainable design, it will be a hub for major events, from football to concerts. The stadium's modern amenities and central location make it a prime destination for sports fans in Riyadh. Roshan Stadium, another new stadium in Riyadh, will host round of 32 matches with a capacity of 46,000. Its crystalline design will integrate seamlessly into the surrounding neighborhood, creating a stunning architectural landmark. The extended roof structure will provide shelter for fans, and the stadium's sustainable design will ensure it leaves a minimal environmental footprint. This venue will be a multi-purpose hub for sports, entertainment, and community events. Finally, South Riyadh Stadium, located in the southwest of Riyadh, will serve as a key part of the Green Riyadh project. With a capacity of 47,060, it will host round of 32 matches and be an integral part of Riyadh's green spaces. The stadium's hybrid pitch, modern amenities, and sustainable design make it a venue for the future, ensuring it continues to serve the community long after the World Cup. So, which of these incredible stadiums are you most excited to see in action by 2034? From the cutting-edge Neom Stadium to the eco-friendly designs of King Salman International Stadium, Saudi Arabia is about to change the game in sports architecture. Let us know in the comments below which venue you're most looking forward to. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on Saudi Arabia's ambitious sports and infrastructure projects. Until next time.